In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to a Monday.com board. Monday.com is a popular project management tool known for its flexibility and user-friendly interface, and understanding how to customize your board with columns can greatly enhance your productivity and organization. First, let's start by navigating to Monday.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com in the address bar, or simply click the bookmarked link if you have it saved. Once the home page loads, log in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. You should now see your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on the board you wish to modify. If you're working on multiple projects, make sure you are selecting the right board by checking the board name. This is typically on the left-hand side of your screen in the navigation panel. Click on the desired board to open it. With your board open, you're ready to add a new column. Look towards the top middle of your screen. There, you'll see a plus sign, conspicuously designed to help you add new columns effortlessly. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, showcasing various column options that you can add to your board. Here's where you can get creative with how you want to use your board. You have several types of columns to choose from, such as text, numbers, status, timeline, or even links. Each type of column serves a unique purpose. For instance, a status column is great for tracking progress, while a timeline column can help you manage your schedule more effectively. Choose the type of column that best suits the needs of your project. Click on your preferred column type, and it will instantly be added to your board. Once the column is added, you can customize it further. Click on the column header to rename it. This name should represent the information or data you intend to keep in that column, like deadlines or responsible team member. This small step can significantly enhance the readability and effectiveness of your board. If you need to rearrange your columns, simply click and hold on the column header and drag it to your preferred position. This feature helps in keeping your most crucial information front and center, streamlining your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new column to your Monday.com board. This customization allows your project management board to be as efficient and effective as possible. Play around with the column types and arrangements to see what works best for your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Monday.com.